Okay, so welcome back to the second session of our online show Let's Talk in English with non-native English speakers, and today we are discussing on very valuable topic, self-esteem. Okay, if you have self-esteem, then you can win the world. You can be a winner. You can be a different person. You can achieve whatever you want to achieve because you can create the positive vibration if you have high self-esteem. Okay, now I would like to say something about high self-esteem. Okay, you all have discussed what is self-esteem, high self-esteem, low self-esteem. But I would like to say how to develop high self-esteem. Okay, how to increase your self-esteem.
So
So,
we want
so would you like to listen about that? How to increase self-esteem?
Sure, sir, definitely.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, definitely, sir.
Sure, sir.
Definitely, sir.
We are waiting for that moment, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start with set realistic expectations. 1 or 2 days ago, I was discussing about the expectation. Where there is an expectation, you have a problem. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I agree with you.
And, okay, if you don't set realistic expectation, means if you don't set realistic goal, then definitely you have to face low self-esteem because you don't get confidence. So it's important to set small reachable goals that they are within your power. For example,
Yes.
I'm here and I can say I want to make a speech in US Parliament, then it is not possible. But if I say I want to make a speech in this college, that college, so that is a realistic expectation.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so setting an extremely high expectation or expectation that someone else will change their behavior is virtually guaranteed to make you feel like a failure through no fault of your own. Okay, so I want to say one more example for that. You all know that my dream is to make a speech on TED. Okay, so TED
Yes,
and
sir.
TEDx both are different. Okay, TED is organized in Canada, okay, Vancouver, and yearly 1 or 2 times.
Yeah.
I'm not sure about that, 1 or 2 times. But TEDx is organized everywhere, in your city also, in Ahmedabad also, in Bangalore also, in Pune also. Got it? So what should be my first goal? I should perform on TEDx, not TED only, because this is realistic goal. And if I achieve that goal, then I can think about next one. So it is about self-esteem. Got it? So how to develop the self-esteem? So set realistic goal to achieve it.
Yes, sir.
And I always say one thing. Next one is stop being a perfectionist. I always say only 2 areas human. We all make mistakes. Yes or no? And only one person never
Yes.
make mistake
Yes,
is
sir.
called God. That's why he is God. And I always accept mistake from others because I am not perfectionist. So other is also not perfectionist. I make so many mistakes. Other also make mistakes. So acknowledge both your accomplishment and mistakes. Both we have to accept. Sometimes I achieve something. I make my presentation perfectly, but sometimes I make mistakes. No problem. I will work on my mistakes. So nobody is perfect, and trying to be will only lead to disappointment. If you think that, sir, I want to make perfect. No. Learn from make mistakes. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You are right.
Yeah. Stop being.
So I want to ask something.
Yeah.
Crystal clear, sir. Crystal clear.
Next.
I also want to ask you, what is the
Yeah.
difference between attitude and self-esteem?
Yeah. If you have positive attitude, then you have a high self-esteem. If you have a high self-esteem, then we have a positive attitude. Negative attitude, low self-esteem.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay.
So I want to ask something.
Yes, sir.
So, what is the way to make a speech on TEDx? How we can?
Okay, now I cannot tell you. Okay, Nidhi, I think you are Nidhi. Now I cannot
Yes,
tell you
sir.
about that. Okay, you can see my videos with Rahullah Usani. We have already made a video on this.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir. The day before yesterday, you uploaded.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. I have found.
We get more
Next,
information.
I want to say
there.
explore yourself. Explore yourself. Okay,
Yes,
sometimes
sir.
we
Okay,
don't know
sir.
about ourselves, our weakness, our strength.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so first of all, we must try to find out ourselves. That's why one day I ask you, what is your identity? Know about yourself.
All are related.
Yes.
to-
Yes.
So the importance
Sir,
of knowing
every day-
yourself, being at peace with who you are, and cannot be overstated. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes. We first to accept ourselves what we are. After that, we can improve ourselves.
Yeah. So let me tell
But-
you a very practical example and very my personal experience. I told you in 2000, many times I have told on our platform also, in 2001 when I completed my graduation and I went to Ahmedabad for my higher education. Got it? So why I choose Ahmedabad? Because I did not have enough money to go other side, other colleges to complete my education. So I thought that if I got the part-time job and I would pursue my career, I would pursue my education there. So I went there. But what happened? I did not get admission in college. Second, I tried to find out jobs. I didn't find. And before that, I thought that people would help me. My relatives would help me, but nobody helped me. And one day, I was totally disappointed and I decided to commit a suicide. This is the reality, okay? I'm sharing it today.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah. So I also wrote a stupid suicide note in 2001. Totally, I was disappointed because I did not want to go to my village and I was in Ahmedabad, but I didn't get anything, no admission, no money, no support, no job. Then how can you survive yourself? So before that, I thought, means I'm talking about explore yourself. So I thought that tomorrow I'm going to die. This is my last night. So I want to talk with myself. And I started talking with me. And okay, so what happened in 2001 also? 1st May 2001, I organized one program in my village. And that time I was only 20 years old. What is the role of self-esteem in your life? Okay, it can stop the suicide also. It can save your life also if you have high self-esteem. So what happened when I was 20 years old, and that time earthquake happened 26 January 2001. Everybody knows, I think. In
Yes,
Gujarat.
yes, sir.
Sir.
And I completed
Yeah.
my graduation that time. And I went to my some friends and I told them, okay, that time Kaun Banega Crorepati was very famous show. Do you know that?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
Mamta
sir.
Koti, then Woogie Woogie, that type of one dance program, Woogie Woogie dance,
Yes,
and
sir.
Saregama,
Yeah.
Saregama was
sir.
there. So though I
Hmm.
was a poor boy, though I did not have experience, but that was a thought in my mind, and I made some people in my village, and I convinced those people to arrange that program, and I performed the role as Amitabh Bachchan. And the show, the name of that show was the Sawal 5000 Ka, the question for 5,000 rupees. And we organized same program like
Wonderful,
Kaun
sir.
Banega Crorepati. And I started talking with, okay, Prakash, you have done at early age, then why do you want to suicide now? you have lot of abilities, you can do it. Okay, then I cancel that stupid plan because I explore myself. I thought about my weaknesses. Okay, what is my weakness? I cannot survive myself in Ahmedabad. I cannot get my job. No problem now. What is my weakness? That time I was not able to speak English. I was not able to understand English. I have already told you many times on platform about Jet Airways.
Yes, sir.
So that day I explored myself and I decided to fight. Okay. Then I did it.
It's unbelievable to hear that you have also.
Exactly.
Yeah.
People are
it's very
surprised
inspiring.
and shocking.
And now
And also, this story will inspire everybody. This story will inspire everybody that you can do anything you want. Don't be thought like suicide, right? Sir?
So now I'm not afraid of any situation because I have seen the worst situation in my life.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
yes.
this is my new birth. Okay. Then people tell me, okay,
Experience is the
you are
best
quite
master.
different. People observe me, you are quite different after 2001 because I have explored myself. What are my weaknesses and what are my strengths? Okay, so this is the simple idea how to develop your self-esteem, how to increase your self-esteem. So, and one more thing, I never try to break rules also. I never try to
Yes.
cheat myself also. I never try to cheat other people also. That's why I have high self-esteem. I can speak with any
Right.
person confidently. You have to be
Yes.
honest with yourself. You have to be honest with other people. If you are not honest with yourself, then you can't be honest with other people. I respect myself. That's why I'm able to respect other people. So it gives me power to enhance my self-esteem. So one thing, be honest. Be honest.
Sir, I agree. Totally agree.
We will
Yes,
be.
sir. Good qualities made us
Wonderful, sir. Wonderful.
be confident.
Yeah.
Sir,
So that's all.
this speech comes this speech comes forth from your heart, sir. That's why I asked you, sir, to speak.
Okay, so you all
We
discuss
have a very
all
less
discuss
knowledge
about what
this.
is self-esteem, what is high self-esteem and what is low self-esteem. But I have given you examples how to increase your self-esteem. Okay, and if you have
Yes.
self-esteem, high self-esteem, then you can create one aura. Okay.
Yes, exactly.
And one more examples I want to tell you.
Sharing your experience with us.
Yeah, Rajkumar, last example I want to tell you how self-esteem works. In Gujarat, some friends, English teachers tell me, okay, we have seen a lot of English speakers in national level, international level. They are far better than you. But why people want to talk with you, we don't know the reason. They try to increase their subscribers, but they cannot increase their subscribers. But you are getting more and more subscriber every day. We don't know reason. Their English is far better than you, but people like to talk with you. So it happens because of high self-esteem. Got it?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
That's all. Thank
You
you.
are,
Thank you very much.
That's
sir,
all,
you
sir.
are a noble person. You are a noble
That is the
person,
honest-
and it's
honest thing.
byproduct. Money is byproduct, sir. You are really noble person. Song.
So,
Yeah, so Ashok Maurya, you can continue
Yeah.
my program. You all requested
Yeah.
to know about
Yeah, yeah.
self-esteem.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
yes, later we can discuss.
Ask it.
Okay, so have you got the next speakers?
Okay, sir.
Next speakers?
So,
Yeah. Yes. Yes, sir. I got next speaker. Sir, but before this, I would say something that from your speech, I noted 4 points. These are very helpful for us. First one is we should always learn from our mistakes. And second one is, if we become happy with our achievements, then we should also have capability to enjoy ourselves in our failure. And third one is explore yourself. And so fourth one is never cheat yourself as well others. So these 4 points are really helpful in everyone's life to move ahead further.
Definitely.
Thank you, sir, for your
Agree with you, Ashok.
valuable. Yeah, thank you, ma'am. And now I would like to invite our most wonderful friend who is from City of Lakes, Pankaj Udaipur. Yeah, please come and give your views on today's
Also,
topic,
you do
self-esteem.
wonderful.
Okay, first of all, thank you, Mr. Today's anchor, because you explained my city very well. And good evening to all. Good evening, sir. First of all, I want to say about sir's speech, a line that I like very most, and I heard from someone most popular celebrity, or I can say most popular successful man nowadays in entire earth. You all know about, you heard Jack Ma.
Yes, we know Jack Ma is one of the
Alibaba's founder from
founder
China.
of the Amazon.
Alibaba.
Oh, Jack Ma,
Yeah.
Alibaba.
So
Yes,
his life rule is always learn from your mistakes. And today I again hear this line from Prakash sir. So I'm feeling very goosebumps today, literally. So it works. Its lines works, I think. So that's why I'm asking about that. Now comes to our today's topic. Today's topic is self-esteem. Self-esteem means self-respect. It is a type of binoculars. By binoculars, we are watching or we are seeing something. It is a binoculars. If we seeing something in ourselves, if we are seeing about our characteristics and our ability in ourselves, it is good. We feel it is very good or very nice. It means we have self-esteem, right? One thing, other people are doing good job. I like that people, and I start giving respect them. It means I give respect to them. Same thing, same task or same work did by me, and I give respect to myself for that work. It means self-esteem. From my point of view, I don't know I'm right or wrong. I don't know that, but I think what is the self-esteem for me? If I give respect to myself for any work, for any task, or for any characteristics present in me, I give respect to myself and I feel respect. Especially, I want to say that its self-esteem is a type of feeling. I am feeling very good. I am feeling very joy. I am feeling very respectful for me. It means self-esteem. That's it from my side, because lots of speakers cover most of things. So that's it, sir.
So, excuse me, Pankaj Udaipur has given us a short formula, and it works. Okay, Ashok Maurya, do you want to get respect? I think everybody wants to get respect. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure.
Respect others, you
Definitely.
will get double respect. This is the formula.
Yes, sir.
Respect
Yes,
others,
sir. Whether
you will get double respect.
whether the other person is younger than you or older than you, but to give respect to them. Everyone has self-esteem, na? So give
It's a
respect
give
to
and
all,
take
and
game. It's
yeah,
a give and take.
give and take formula, sir. Yes, sir.
So that's why self-respect and respect others helps us get some happiness, and when we develop our relationships, we increase our life expectancy. That is the thing. Mansur also said that when we have good relationship, we increase our life expectancy ratio. So that's why we have the relationship and self-respect.
Sir, I want to add one more line, if you permit me. I always try to give example taking this show. Okay. So today also I want to give an example Sir Prakash sir, you give lots of knowledge to us and lots of technical, lots of skill to speak English. Okay, so we all respect you for your this skill. Okay, if you get respect from us or from all speakers, then you also feel self-esteem, I think. And this is the definition, or this is the example of self-esteem that I understand today.
Okay.
Yes, yes,
Thank you.
I am highly endorsable on your words.
Yeah, Ashok Maurya.
Maurya,
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, sir. Now I would like to invite Nageshwar Rao sir for feedback to Pankaj Udaipur.
Have you got new speakers?
Yeah,
Ashok Maurya, have you got
thank
new speakers?
No, no, sir.
Sir, I want to say
didn't got
something.
yet.
Okay, okay.
8.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, may I?
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah, after Nageshwar,
Ashok
Ilarani,
Maurya,
you can speak, okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes, yes.
Rajkumar.
Pankaj also what Sir spoke. We have to learn our mistakes. That is the important thing in our life. Because when we talk ourselves, what we made mistakes and what we do not make mistakes, that is important. We talk ourselves with in front of the mirror and pat ourselves. When we pat ourselves, we'll definitely do the miracles in our life. That's the thing what Sir said, and he also said. So he spoke very nice. Thank you. Yeah, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Your feedback is also valuable.
Thank
sir.
you for your feedback.
Yeah, thank you.
I would like to invite Ilarani ma'am from USA, Indo-American ma'am. Please give some your views on today's topic.
Thank you, Ashok. So
Yeah,
today's
Ilarani ma'am.
topic is self-estimate. Self-estimate means confidence is one's own worth or ability or self-respect. So I want to explain this topic through my self-estimate. I am a person, I always feel happy the way I am. I always choose to be honest and
Please, all of you, unmute your mic.
I always choose to be happy where I am, in what situation, and I always honest to people, and I also make others people happy. I never try to make other people get in problem. So that I think that is my best self-estimate, that I always choose to be happy in myself. I never depend on others who will make me happy, or I never get upset with obstacles also. I choose to fight whatever problems come in front of me. I always try to overcome those things. And the second is the self-estimate. I will say I always do what I think and what I want to do. And there's something forget what I was wanted to tell.
How can I
So
build high self-esteem?
yes, yes. The second thing is I always I always compare myself like yes, there are so many people in the world. Millions of people are in the world, and all are different. All are not same. So I am a different person, and if I am doing any wrong, then it's also okay. It's not like I have to be perfect, because I found there is no perfection. If I am doing a thing thinking like it's good, other people saying no, it's not good. So everyone has their own compliment with the way they look the things. So that way I feel like no, I will be the way I am, and I will be happy whatever I have, and whatever in my knowledge, in my look, everything. I never compare with me with others, like why is he is so beautiful, or why they are so knowledgeous. I think everyone has the best some best quality within them, so we should improve our that quality. So we never compare to others, like because everyone has different quality and different mm, uh, yes, a different quality and something different to do. So we should confidence ourselves to enhance that quality. So I think that's the best self-estimate, to recognize yourself within you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I
Sorry, I
would like to
forget I was
invite.
prepared.
Okay, no problem. It's enough to learn. Now I would like to invite Mrs. Kalpana ma'am for the feedback.
Thank you.
Kalpana ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Ila Rani. To be happy and make others happy, that's a good quality. And I think whatever you talked about today, it's about good qualities. You are exactly right. Here, no one is perfect, but to try to be for perfect, that's matter always.
Yes.
Thank you. Nice speech.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am, for your suggestions. Now, I would like to invite our next speaker, who is Ranjana Goswami, ma'am.
Thank you so much for giving me that opportunity. So I think all thing is covered by every speaker. So I have nothing to say, but still I want to speak because that's platform for speak for improve my English. So I want to start my topic with one quote that love yourself first and everything else fall into line. You really have to love yourself to get anything done in this world. So now come on the topic. So self-esteem means self-respect. If I describe self-esteem, is used to describe a person overall sense of self-worth or personal value, we can say. And we can say how much you appreciate and like yourself. It involves a variety of beliefs about yourself, such as the appreciation of your appearance, belief, and emotions and behavior. If we talk about why self-esteem is important, so self-esteem can play a significant role in our motivation and success throughout our life. So there is two type of self-esteem. One is low self-esteem and another one is high self-esteem. So low self-esteem, if you talk about low self-esteem, so it's a lack of confidence. Mm, yeah, and feeling badly about oneself. And people with low self-esteem often feel unlovable. Mm, and if we talk about how to overcome um, our low self-esteem, so there are two key components. One is stop listening to your inner critic, I am stupid, I am a fat, nobody like me. So, and second one is start practicing self-compassion, means like acknowledge and notice your suffering and be like and caring in response to suffering. And if we talk about high self-esteem, so high self-esteem means believe in yourself. We can say we are very confident. So you recognize that you might have a few weakness, but you have a lot of strength in case of high self-esteem. So, which really shape up who you are. So, mm, um, who have high self-esteem, they don't compare themselves from another person.
Okay, time up.
Okay, so I want okay.
Okay,
I
thank
want to
you,
also share
Rajna.
about how to build a high self-esteem, but sir also covered that thing. So I think I have no need to cover that thing. So thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, Rajna Goswami, ma'am. And if I'm not wrong, you are from the city which is named after our father of Indian Constitution, Dr. B.R.
Yeah.
Ambedkar Nagaria. I have seen your
Yeah.
videos with one-to-one conversation on YouTube. So
Thank
you
you.
have speak very well. And now
Thank you.
I would like to invite Ilarani ma'am for feedback to Rajna
Thank
Goswami ma'am.
Thank you, Ashok. Yes, is explained very good. And the way she conclude her speech, that was very nice. Because she did not get enough time to complete her topic, but the way she conclude her topic using her own its own creativity way. I think yes, she's a good speaker, and she
Thank you, ma'am.
yes, she did very good. Thank you.
Sir, I am
Thank you,
late.
Yeah,
ma'am.
thank you,
Please give
ma'am.
me a 2 minutes.
Thank you, ma'am. And
Hello.
sorry,
Yeah.
sir.
Who wants to speak? Hello.
Sorry, Akbar
Hi,
Alam,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Rashman Jaiswal.
No.
Sir, Akbar
Actually, I have
Alam.
already given two names, Anu
Yeah.
Devi and Akbar
Yeah,
Alam, but we don't
Akbar
have
Alam,
enough
yes, sir.
time.
Yes, sir.
At that
So,
time, I think network problem. I didn't join.
Okay.
no problem. You will speak after the next speaker,
Okay, but we
if
don't have
sir
enough
permit.
time, Ashok Maurya. We can give
Yes,
only
sir.
the chance to
Yes.
one speaker only. Okay, you can invite any one speaker.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, yeah. So, I would like to invite Mr. Anuj Delhi to throw some light on today's topic.
Thank you
So,
very
we
much,
don't have
Ashok.
enough time, sir. Please conclude yourself within
Yeah,
less than 3 minutes.
yeah, definitely I will try. Thank you very
Yeah.
much. So I will start with a small definition, the self-esteem. So I will relate the self-esteem with the confidence. As we, if we lose our confidence, so somehow we will start telling lie with ourselves, and we will lose to take right decision about ourselves. And self-esteem comes by our thoughts and our experience. It totally depends what we feel about ourselves. And a self-esteem person, a good self-esteem person, know their ability and their limitations. And in self-esteem, our opinion always matter in our life. Um, a self-esteem in self-esteem, um, self self-esteem is that when we respect ourselves and doesn't matter what other people think about ourselves. And uh, it always matter, can we speak truth to ourselves, or can we accept our mistakes. So directly I come to high self-esteem. This high self-esteem is when we believe uh, we are equal, and everyone is we are equal to everyone else. and no one is better than and no one is worse. So we can say it is a positive self-esteem. uh, this per- uh, this person always gives value to their life, the person who has a high self-esteem. And I come to lower self-esteem due to lack confidence. In this situation, the person who has a low self-esteem, he feels himself degrade, and he thinks he has not the ability to take a correct decision in his life, and he always lives his life in a doubt. And I talk about the how can we build our high self-esteem. So when when a thing you are doing that, it is legally correct, and despite that your mind say you it is not good for you, and you take correct decision about yourself, that time you can build your high esteem. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you, Anuj Delhi. And before inviting judges, I would like to say something, that it's a matter of happiness that today we are able to listen maximum number of speakers. We have called total 11 speakers within the time, and it is all because of it is because of you all and your cooperation. So now I would like to invite Ila Rani ma'am for giving feedback to Anuj Delhi.
Thank you, Ashok. I wanted to give feedback to our Anuj sir. The way he started his speaking, I saw a very good confidence today. I don't know why, but yes, I can see the way he started his speaking. It was it was a little different from different days. So yes, I think he's improving himself to speak in a better way, and the way he explained our topic today, that was also good. So yeah, overall this topic was very good to from Anuj sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
So wonderful. So
Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
okay, I would like to
Yeah.
say something about today's anchor. Really, I'm so happy with his role. He has performed his role marvelously, really gorgeous.
Yes,
Your role
sir.
is so,
Yes,
put
sir.
your hands together
Thank
for
you.
our
Yes, sir. Yes,
anchor, Ashok Moria. Perfect.
Yes.
Very nice.
Sir, it is
Now,
because of you
okay.
all, sir. I have learned this from this platform, and this credit goes to you all, especially sir, our director.
Our
Thank you,
tomorrow's
sir. Thank you very much.
tomorrow's
Yeah,
anchor
amazing.
is
He's
Raj
doing
Kumar.
it well.
Our
Yeah.
tomorrow's
Yes,
anchor is
sir.
Raj Kumar. Okay. I
Yes,
want to
sir. Sure,
announce
sir.
tomorrow's anchor is Raj Kumar. Now Raj Kumar, thankful speech.
Thankful speech.
Yeah. Okay, who
Sir,
is
you.
third? Yeah, no,
Yeah.
sorry. Now,
Nidhi ma'am is there.
Nidhi ma'am. We have less than 1 minute. Please conclude, Nidhi ma'am, as soon as possible.
Nidhi is not here. Oh,
Raj Kumar sir,
Okay.
you
you
can.
can.
This session we had. This session was very wonderful, and today our anchor was really a impressive person. He did his work very nicely, and all the speaker, what are the points they have to speak regarding self-esteem, low esteem, high esteem, and how we are going to build up our high esteem, they have discussed very clear way. I would like to thank all the participants who joined with us, giving their